How to change Facebook profile picture without notifying everyone. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, click on the profile picture given at the top left corner. Once you're on the profile page, click on this camera icon. With that, your camera roll will open up. Now click on More. Now, select the picture from your camera roll, or you can also click it. For this video, I'm gonna select the picture from my camera roll. Once you have selected it, you can edit it, you can add frame or make it temporary. In order to upload your Facebook profile picture without notifying everyone, what you have to do is uncheck for this option, show your update to newsfeed. Now you can click on save and upload it. So this way, people won't be notified even though you have changed your profile picture. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.